Forgotten username recovery failed on Lendable Fix. If your attempt to recover your username on Lendable keeps failing, you're not alone. Many users run into this exact issue, and most people get it wrong because they don't realize how Lendable's login system actually works. Here's the surprising truth: Lendable no longer uses traditional usernames for access. Instead, your account is tied entirely to your registered email address. So when you try to recover your username, the system may fail because that process doesn't exist anymore. Here's how to fix it. Step 1. Head to the Lendable login page and simply enter your email instead of a username. Then, if you've forgotten your password, click Forgot Password to reset it. If the platform recognizes your email, you'll get a secure reset link that's confirmation your account still exists. Step 2. If you don't receive any email, check your spam or promotions folder. Sometimes automated messages get filtered out. Step 3. If nothing shows up, think back to which email you originally used to apply for a loan or create your Lendable profile. Search your inbox for messages from Lendable. That's the address linked to your account. Step 4. If you still can't access your account, contact Lendable customer support directly. Provide your full name, registered email, and any reference number from past communications. Their team can verify your details and restore your access manually. The key takeaway is these usernames are no longer part of the login process, so the recovery form isn't broken, it's just outdated. Your email is your key to signing in. Once you log back in, you'll find all your loan details, payments, and account settings exactly where you left them. So don't stress if the forgotten username recovery fails. Your data is safe, and the fix is just a few clicks away.